blood clot. God almighty, how face fell up over sting.
I don't know who to hear this, but to who this may concern, hear me and say, alright, scratch the 6 million, see? Father, I just beg you, just give me back my $20.
Welcome back to Jambisco Dan TV. You don't know, say I was Jambisco. Yeah, man, people, today has been a very eventful day. Yeah, man, yeah, this is December 27th, and yesterday was actually the hosting of Sting. I know that it's been a very eventful day. This morning, Sting actually ended, and it's been very eventful. You don't know, say a whole lot of things happened at Sting. You don't know, Fully Bad and Kyodi did clash, as well as Fully Bad getting into a squabble with animosity after crashing him and Kyodi's clash. And people, yeah, man, you have a bunch of people have a lot to say about this. We have not only dancehall artists DeMarco and Shano, but we also had selector Foota Hype as well chiming in on the war, and I have a few words to say. He had a few words to say about what happened at Sting 2023, the whole fight between Fully Bad and Anansi, and the clash between Fully Bad and Kyodi. You feel me? We're going to check out what some of them artists had to say. Let's check it out right now. I'll start off with DeMarco and Shano. Let's hear what they have to say.
Father, I don't know who to hear this, but to who this may concern, hear me and say, alright, scratch the 6 million, see? Father, I just beg you, just give me back my $20. I beg you now. Because that $20 there, Father, coming like a UFC match, I go watch it, brother. Man, I kick off, man, off. Yo, Father, I'm glad me never go there.
Oh, God. Boy, I can't believe me. I was speaking in the morning to blood clot. God almighty, how face fell up over sting. God almighty, that the waste man that ramp with my name. I'm going to get bad, say, bust him and bust up your face. Like, you should have given me right money, man. I could deal with DeMarco over there, you see me? Yeah, we don't want to look out. You see me? Yeah, bigger than that. And bust up your face, dirty dread boy. Face, bust up over there. Fully bad. Boom! Kyodi, boom! Bust up that. Poke your dread boy there. Boom! First me ever see this. You can well I know. Yeah, man, I call all my name, you know. Yeah, man, I call my name, man. I see I want to look at dread one way. We will help out Wally and girl dub and them thing. We never thought that to fuck that. Yeah, because artists give me dub to, so fuck that. Yeah, I say it about. You can't. First thing first, Bunty is a general sing dub for me to and them thing. I don't know what I will go through them thing there in life. You see me? So there is no way me can ever try say me go this Bunty killer or this any other artist way sing for me. You see me? And give me a strength. You know what I mean? Yeah, me no try to tear down. No time. Bunty, big up yourself. No help me in a life. So me help no few too, and me say the youth them me help. I tear me down. You see me? When me help, you know? When me help, and me see me left on to come and bust in the face, bust up over there. Bust up. Boom! Me see Fully Bad goes up. Boom! Pussy hole, you left on to come. More things I take on it too. Yeah, left God to one, the heart are clean. You see me just there, I said, I watch you hold on, you know. Hold on, and look at 9 day talk and all of them sit there. Hey? When the face bust up, and you better go find song now. But I tell you, I relax for the and I test my local gun skills. She said, you see me, big album, I'm going to drop you now. I couldn't see what I'm going. Waste, man, Fully Bad, big up yourself, Kyodi, big up yourself. Yeah, man, me help, everybody will me help, I swear upon my life. Nobody not perfect, but me can tell you. Anybody who see I ring my name them to talk the good way I do for them, and me can't tell them I don't do nothing to them. I just they want me look bad. You know, some friend like tear down friend for reach somewhere. I just, you know, I feel like I not reach away in a life to people. And them people, what the company them want me to keep, the friend them what they round. You see me? Yeah, so you see that 24 year, me alone I go over it. Nah, bring nobody with me, I just few ones left. And them they from morning, you see me? Yes, I just me and them I go over the 24 year now. You see me, so I feel me going to reach what I reach in life and how people believe it. You see me? Yeah, too much corrupt company there around here. And yeah, so one give y'all them some song that year I took away. We have them in 1 4, 2 4, 3 4, and she still not leave now cut. Say she not leave now cut if we not back as vanity down front where she say she want 4 fuck, 5 fuck, 6 fuck, 7 fuck, 8 fuck, what the fuck, and she still not cut. Yeah, we have a song for you girl them too, you see me? Yeah, so a different thing, but as I say, Karma is a bitch as they say, you see me? Yeah man. Different settings may I deal with people. Different energy, different everything. I don't want to say, no man, I'm good. If not artist not deal with me too, I'm good because guess what? I'm been to do this by myself. You see me? I big up everybody who's strengthening me and I give me a helping and said you okay, I don't know when reach no way in our life. You see me? Said you when I go hype and go on like, yeah, we reach somewhere rare. We still there fight it, so everybody think different. A man can get to the proving gone big. Can't watch that. You have to just do what you are doing and that me I do, me I go and do my thing. You see me? Yeah, so Jah always save the best to last, as OMG say. So bless up on yourself. Everybody who go around me, the 2023, big up on yourself. Everybody who lock me out and show them, big up on yourself. And everybody who come around me and claim say them be real and me and them apart for years and they will never fuck me over. Uno me live for sick and fuck me over, you see me? You don't know what that mean. Big up on yourself. And in the community where when you two in me, I don't know say me bad too, you know. I want to try bring me down. Big up on yourself. And all these producers, some big producers, I'm going to see them before them even reach somewhere. They see we all on have on the rhythm. I want to go around me, and go around me. Big up on yourself. And all the promoters who, as I say, back to the promoters, when they lock me off on the show, she don't know nobody. Ray. If me used to charge 1 million, we don't know it got 3 this year. Big up on yourself. And I'm also focusing on get this album out and you see me? And the people who are going to get a strength, big up on yourself. You see me? And yeah, so and Dark Room is one of the songs I got up on the album as a long time song, but trust me people, I rate to know, you see me? Yeah, when you don't even know a DJ there, so go through with friends and music and when you probably say, oh, you not hear me and them things there, trust me. They are put in the work, but you don't know them are going to stand and lock you, and them are lock you, and you have to chunk said you see me? Yeah, you see me? Yeah, man. Keep down the gate that year, man. Trust me. Yo, me say artists what they are talk about in success. Well, I know, me say artists are talk about in success and I feel proud of them. I say, yeah, youth. At least I get to it, you see me? Me never say me just proud of the youth, you see me? And I say, yeah, good artist. I always big up the youth there too. I always bless him up. I big him up as a great artist. When me hear the man say, and some man sing about Dark Room. Remember me I listen to him live and me there I say, yes, you proud of your family, nice and rare. Because I say, rare. And when me hear the man say, some man sing about Dark Room. I say, I saw them man here premium, I never know. But no worry about it, man. Big up yourself. You hear me? Big up yourself. You artists around with me there. Your time now, man. Big up yourself. None of wish you bad. Today for you, tomorrow for me. Big up yourself. You see, me, nobody can know where me I come with. Talented artist. I can tell you that my style is different. No boy can study me. No artist, nobody can know where me I come with. Me not stuck on one set of song. I can go on any genre. I can go on. Some man we can sing about one set of it. Oh, no, not ready, but good. They are phone and foot now. I respect when they said way. No grudging on the art, but trust me, just look out for me. I'm forward, man. I still a soul on the break like the right round there, so yeah? We're not going nowhere, man, on the break like the right round there, so. So, all I know there for my name, big up on yourself. What else again? Yeah, brawling, I just saw it go here, man. Yeah, man, when I like me, I just suck on the woman now. I stop laughing with people. I ramp with my feelings too much. Yeah, on take me for, you see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm too soft, you know. That's why, you know, I reach me to people. The song that I sing, I need to start, live up to it and I hit me start, you know. Trust me, I live up to it just because I own it. When me I go learn? Stop sorry for people and put myself first. That me now do. We like me start do now. So all who not like that, big up on yourself. You see? Yeah man, go and bless up on yourself. But yeah man, sting me like a sting ya. Leng never tell me what I hear. So I say, Leng, big up yourself. Do them show them over the years, but nah, do nothing for me, man. The new youth them can take it and make you side to say, nah, this thing, no time. But I don't think, yeah, that good. DeMarco want to shoot up over there, but you don't know. Leng no pay man, Leng no pay me, so. Yeah. Yeah, but I want corrupt game people, man. Trust me, that music thing is terrible, man. You don't know what I'm going. The fight there everywhere still in it. They're in a police force, they're in an office. They in a school, they in a bank, but you see, in that game, where you think our music just goes so? I love no night, man, but you have to just do the same to and just deal with them, you see me? Yeah. Yeah, man. What do you see one artist, you know? I see one artist and say, yo, me G, yo, me dog, a long time here, link, you know, what man? You know, say me I do one girl, but man, want you give me a one verse, man, a remix, you see me? And man, I say, what you mean, what you mean? See that? You know you're back from him. You know yourself too, man, but big up yourself. There I said, yeah, man. Big up yourself, man. You have a next artist too. When me send a song, yeah, man, it bad, man. And then I say, DJ, me I go ready, but big up yourself. You don't know why you not ramp with me, you know. You don't know why all are not ramp with me, you know. You don't know, man, but don't say 40. Big up on yourself. More blessings. Yeah, wishing all the best that year, but me I want to run there, you know. Yeah, me not worry about nothing. Be a song a job. Sometimes I say me also want to go in the video and less artwork, but fuck that artwork. That's a job song. Me not run a joke. Me can play 1,000 songs for me right now, which is me do have 1,000 songs out there to play, but we are all the songs. So here one of us, so I just drop the song them. You see me? Yeah. You know, I have to focus on the girl them too, man. I get some girl song. When I'm not even ugly or what, I don't know. Come out and I sing 2 girl songs, I don't know it. Nah, yo. What kind of girl song I have to sing, you know? Nah, yo, show this. Ugly me ugly some man? Ugly me ugly some man? Come at me ugly star. 1 fuck. Let me try a girl song. 1 fuck. 2 fuck. 3 fuck and she still not leave nor cut. Say she not leave nor cut. Even a back as vanity the front. But she say she want 4 fuck, 5 fuck, 6 fuck, 7 fuck, 8 fuck. What the fuck and she still not cut. She say she not leave nor cut. Even a back as vanity the front. Now I pussy that. Now say a word. Why you shift your jaws like a pretty little curtain. And if a Genesis you come first. Cause can't fit in your split so it a hurt then. Skin it out, make me hurt then. You still feel like a virgin. Suck off your nipple, they make it hurt. Say a man and dig it so. First me get tired, the girl you fuck me like a chin so. Yeah no, air boy, oh you wicked so. Revolt her belly but me never do the civic so. Me a fear ask I want make you love it so. Me nah disabuse but oh your pussy ugly so. Fuck me please me love it when you talk to me so. Mash me up, why you do me so? 1 fuck, 2 fuck. 3 fuck and she yeah, me I try a girl thing cause yo we can't make them get up from her. Ugly, you can't make too ugly, yo. Show this. Yeah, put me off. I feed them some music. Yeah, I feed them. Big up on yourself. Yes, the dread face post up over sting there.
Yeah man, people, that was DeMarco and Shano chiming in on the whole Fully Bad and Animosity fight and Fully Bad and Kyodi clash. And yeah man, people, you can see that. Kyodi, y'all have to say, yo, some boy get them face bust up, you know what I'm saying? And I say, yo, Sting them pay them the right money, so that's why they and my laugh after Animosity. You see me like, I try to say, yo, Animosity, I try to joke out them thing, you know what I'm saying? And I laugh at the whole situation. You see me, it's very clear. So DeMarco also chimed in and make you know what him think about the whole situation and whole clash. You don't know, they never pay DeMarco the right amount to him forget. So you don't know him never did any thing there. And then Shano also said the price was right, and him take too long for reach him. So you don't know that go. But not only that, guys, we also have dancehall artist Foota Hype chiming in on the whole clash. You feel me? I'm not gonna lie, people. Foota Hype is actually being very impartial and being very fair. He's actually accounting for what he actually saw at the clash. So I do want to give give Foota Hype in flowers for being unbiased on this opinion. As he talk about exactly what happened. Even talk about certain things that I see that he was saying, like the push that fully bad Vanamasi wasn't really a fight push. It was like more like a hold on there, and see me a reply type of push. But me now go all up. Me couldn't hear from the self gang. Let's check it out. This is Foota Hype chiming on the whole Sting 2023 gang. Let's check it out.
And one boy walk out, mass up and thing and say, yeah, ready in the morning, yeah. And him sing, the mother one, the place lift. People them ready, but remember, enough people gone because she said the show done. Nicky Hype was great also. So, the people them are left now into the clash. And one boy DJ and the bands are kick and the place are lift up and everybody excited. And then him DJ next song now and call Kyodi name. And Kyodi walk out. I forget him. Wanna see Kyodi suit? Wanna see Kyodi suit? Hold on. Who did see Kyodi suit? One boy outfit bad too, you know. Cause a war outfit, you know. But Kyodi outfit fit the man name perfect. You see it, Mr. Chin? Yo, where Kyodi find that suit there? Me think I want a real blood clot alien out there, no? Yo, face, no. Me not lie. One time me I say pussy clot, I want a real alien out there. Alright. If you don't notice, when one boy call Kyodi name and start to walk off the stage. But then Kyodi a walk forward. Kyodi never wait for him for him come up. So me see one boy say, away I go and back and go back on the stage. Me love that. Come here and say blood clot. No. Two of them serious. You see me? Kyodi walk out suit, come like a ninja man walk out the way the place a mash up. The way the place a mash up. Zine, the way the place a mash up, me I say, this a give me a surreal ninja man moment, you know, with the outfit wise, you know. And I say, yeah, bad. And then, one boy, give him some time, cause people, we're gonna be honest. You know, say, one boy and Kyodi did a deal with it like real, proper clash too. Let's be honest. One boy and Kyodi did a deal with it with respect for each other. Zine? So, me see one boy stand up and him wait. And me see Kyodi take off the alien something. And Kyodi run out like a mad dance. And a DJ. And that time one boy a clown him and I say, yeah, we not hear ya. And chop a lyrics again. And Kyodi chop a lyrics and me see one boy over there so. Kyodi over there so. Them walk past each other. Remember them pass each other close, you know. Close, you know. Almost brush against each other, you know. Then now, animosity now. Let me tell people, animosity is the one who win the clash from last year. Him win the clash over Sting last year. So automatically, him signed to Sting to leng them. So I leng them send him out because the time. Zine, because of the time. So the clash done abruptly. Here with me disappointed, you know. Because a Sting, you know. A Sting. This is expected. Argument like a flare and thing. What me see wrong with the whole thing, I may have to give Kyodi props over the next two of them, over Animosity and Homeboy, because when Homeboy and Kyodi pass each other, none of them never shuba or bounce each other. Them are dealing lyrics with lyrics. But it coming like none of them now want in and out clashing with animosity. Because if you notice when animosity are forward, Kyodi walk with you over the side there. See? And then when Kyodi walk over to the side there, homeboy pay mind to Kyodi. So when Kyodi DJ now, and homeboy want answer now, animosity interrupt homeboy. So homeboy turn around and say, what you do? And animosity now look for him, animosity a DJ. So him touch, like, and I really worship him, shoot animosity. But him shoot him and say, what you do? Because a Kyodi him really want to pay attention to. You understand what I say? So, as some animosity now shoot him back and him goes a boom with the mic in an animosity head. And animosity go boom back with the mic and him friend push animosity. But animosity I say, you think of me alone? I go down, come here. Zip. And hold on in them clothes and dry him down. And the two of them in a ear like Jet Li and Jackie Chan and punch each other and a kick while them a drop a ground, you know. So Kyodi I say, watch them two idiots here and mash up the man show. Big waist man, them a fool them. See? So Kyodi still up on the stage when them a drop out of the sky. You see me? So when them drop a ground now, one of homeboy youth, them jump off, it look like, and kick animosity, so animosity a run, so, and homeboy run down animosity now, one animosity friend run down and thump him in a female, you know, and pure madness. Pure madness. Pure madness. Pure madness. But me, this me can say now, me proud of Kyodi composure. Me proud of Kyodi composure. That. Me see couple picture this morning, animosity face swell up, homeboy face swell up. A Kyodi alone not get no beat up. A Kyodi alone not get no beat up, my lord. It show you say Kyodi already have a level of professionalism with him. And it show you say him come prepare for the lyrical confrontation and not a physical confrontation. Because if you check in a dog, the two men them pass each other close, you know. Remember when Kyodi come on the stage, homeboy, they are the entrance. And Kyodi walk past him, and him walk, come back. Them never fight, them never push each other. When them a DJ tune for tune now, nobody never fight nobody. No, Gaga, what you talk about? Gaga, you know, make sense. Remember when the two men them a fight and drop a ground, Kyodi is on the stage, saying, watch them two idiot here and mash up the man show. Go back and listen. Even when them they are going to fight, Kyodi was still on the stage. What you talk about? Take yourself. What you talk about? I don't understand what you say, Gaga. Make it make sense. You know listen to the audio, you know watch the video? The clash that go on good. Who say lies, me I tell? Go back, go watch the video now and listen. Okay, hold on. Somebody said, a friend. So, Face, let me ask you something now. Kyodi did in a fight? Kyodi never in a fight? Kyodi was in a fight, you know? Kyodi was on this side of the stage, DJ. Remember say Kyodi a DJ when the two of them are try DJ for answer, you know? So how now say Kyodi take yourself? People got talk the real thing. The clash did go on alright between Fully Bad and Kyodi. See? So what me I say is, remember say Anna Kyodi and none of them in an argument? And the two of them are argue with each other. Fi answer Kyodi. A Kyodi a DJ when them toss up, you know? You don't remember? They might obviously Kyodi not come over the field in a physical war. Alright, Gaga, now you talk. Now you're talking. A homeboy touch animosity, him shouldn't touch him neither. Him should have used lyrics, make him stop DJ. If we wish to talk the truth. Now homeboy first touch animosity, man. So when I talk about Kyodi never involved in no fight at all. Even when them drop off a stage, Kyodi was still there. And I said, watch them two idiots match up the man show. A waste man, them would never hear that. So who don't think I talk on the mic them time there? That Kyodi there on the stage. So any narrative you don't want to build up, but Kyodi run. And run, go and take yourself a lie on a tell. I want to go look like idiot because the truth is there. Some of them know who want to get that from. But you take yourself, him never run. Him never run, he was there, waiting. And if them did stop fight and come up on the stage, Kyodi would still be there. Kyodi would still up there wait for them. Obviously, Kyodi come out for DJ. And obviously, one boy come out for DJ, but him uncle come out for DJ against Kyodi. So when animosity forward in the mix, it make him lose for himself now. Because probably him uncle will be a thing for Kyodi and not be nothing for animosity. You understand what I say? So one boy mash up the show for you. You understand what I say? So it look like one boy prepare for him and Kyodi go at it neck and neck. But him never prepare for animosity. Because when animosity come up, it show him off. It never show off Kyodi. Kyodi still up there wait. How you mean 3 man can't clash? Sting of 3 man clash, 4 man clash all the time. What you talk about? You figure about twins of twins, matter and keep rich. What you talk about? What you talk about 3 man can't clash? Me can't blame the promoter for the fight, you know. Can't blame the promoter for the fight. Can't blame Sting for the fight. I have to blame who start the fight. When Cartel and Mother did over there war, a million more things the man did better than that and everything. But the artists them lead the charge. So if the artists them now fight physically, no entourage now go fight. So what not talk say? Me can't blame the promoter for that. I cannot blame Sting for that. It's just the truth. I have to blame one boy. And not even animosity me can't blame neither. No. Animosity come up to do what he come to do. He come to kill anything. Lyrically, and you see animosity was actually DJing. He wasn't looking for a fight. And when one boy shoot him and I ask him what he might do. You understand me? I said, that's how the fight start. So let's not be hypocrites here. You see me I say? Let's not be hypocrites here, my lord. You have to just be true. Fully, but I get forward. Kyodi, I get forward. The clash, they haven't reached 4 songs yet. The clash, they haven't reached 2 songs yet. You understand what I say? So you can't blame Leng them for that. Leng them not do nothing wrong. Kyodi not do nothing wrong. Animosity not do nothing wrong. How one boy started? Exactly one world element. Exactly. Ask that question there. Exactly. Because probably him did prepare for Kyodi. But then now, when animosity come up, it put a wedge in the thing. So if him insecurities make him attack animosity physically. You understand what I'm saying? All that a good a sabotage. Because remember them give each person a microphone with a number upon it. So why one sound good and one not sound good? Think about that. Remember say when the MCC say the people them not hear Kyodi good, she give Kyodi for her microphone. You know? All that a good a sabotage to dog. Come to think of it, the engineer is supposed to make sure all I mic them sound good. Because when animosity come on, animosity mic sound good. Homeboy mic sound good. So why Kyodi are the hungry person for the whole night? When your microphone never sound good. What you mean, or animosity reach from stage? The man book for sure. He book for the war. Remember, say animosity book for the war. What you not talk about? All leng wrong. Stop, dog. Yo. You see, who don't know nothing about thing? Just keep on the mouth lock and stop type. Stop. If you don't know about things, stop talk. I want to tell you, man, Kyodi fully composed, man. We can't take that from the youth, man. Don't go like you don't want to take that from the youth. Kyodi fully composed and come out and him never falter. Homeboy DJ him DJ. Homeboy walk stage, him walk stage. And Kyodi walk out appearance bigger than the whole of them. If we wish to talk the truth, go watch the video them. When the man walk out in an alien outfit, nobody na beat that. And the clash done abruptly. So none of them no win. Yeah, Crabber, you're late. You see me? Fully but homeboy. I want to show me say that a while ago. Homeboy, Zine, come out and I deal with it. No joke. Zine, Kyodi come out and I deal with it. Remember say, animosity come out of nowhere and the show mash up. Me have to see that. Me have to see it, so we need a rematch. We need a rematch.
And there you have it, folks. Yeah, man, people. Yeah, that was dancehall artist DeMarco, Shano, and selector Foota Hype chiming in on the whole, you know, the whole fully bad Kyodi, fully bad animosity situation at Sting 2023. I'm not like, gang. There are some very, you know, crazy opinions. There are some good opinions as well. You know what I'm saying? You know, Shano and DeMarco cloning them both for, you know, basically saying them not there, so cloning them for do them thing, you see me? And I say a joke thing, as well as we have Foota Hype with a little more detailed breakdown, you see me, being very unbiased, you see me, and say, being very unbiased in his opinion, I would say, you see me, be very fair to Fully Bad. I don't know, say him, Foota Hype and Fully Bad have a lot of history, they fall out, but I think he was being very fair. You know what I'm saying? I think he was being very fair, and the whole breakdown, he was being very impartial, and he was like explaining exactly what happened. He was saying that, you don't know, basically Fully Bad and Kyodi never want to clash animosity. They want to clash each other, and they were more focused on each other. And that the push that Fully Bad really gave animosity, it wasn't like, no, you want to fight, I beat up. It was like, yeah, hold on, no man, reply to Kyodi just say something. The could have gone, I have to reply to him, you know? So hold on, wait a turn. You see me? And you know, I kind of agree with Foota on that section, but man say, yo, you don't know the entourage, man think also added fuel to the fire. You don't know, kind of, you don't see nobody that this a friend and defend them. So yeah, man, gang, you don't know, they're very, you know, that was DeMarco, Shano, and Foota Hype chiming in on the whole situation, giving their opinion. I mean, can say, yo, they do have some valid opinions. You see me, and you know, DeMarco and Shano was cloning the whole situation. But let me know what you guys think. You see me, do you think DeMarco and Shano is right, and do you think that Foota Hype is also right, or he being unbiased, or if he's being biased? Let me know in the comment section, gang. But yeah, man, yeah, you don't know. It was an enjoyable show overall. You know, a little messed up at the end, but yeah, let me know what your thoughts and opinion in the comment section. What you think about this thing 2023? What you think about what DeMarco, Shano, and Foota Hype had to say about the whole situation? What you think about Fully Bad animosity? You see me? Let me know all that in the comment section, gang. Let's chop it up. Let's talk about it. You don't know. We're there. We'll cover the situation and tell you know, as it release. So, gang, let me know what you think. You don't know about Jambisco here, and I hit on so much. Banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.